In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and set up Proton VPN here on your computer. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, but if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up any web browser of your choice and go ahead and type in up at the very top protonvpn.com, hit enter and head to this website. From here, you're going to see an option to get Proton VPN. Go ahead and choose that option. And then I personally recommend the free option, but you could do whatever you would like. It's completely up to you. Select Get Proton on whatever plan you decide to go with. And then from here, if you choose something like the free option, go ahead and choose free again. It's going to take you to a page where you need to go ahead and create an account, or if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. After doing so though, you'll have an option to download. Go ahead and choose download for Windows and pick the x64 version just because this is what most PCs use. Wait for that download to finish, open up the installer folder and finish the installation process, and then you'll have that app on your computer. Go ahead and double click on that app. It'll open up something that looks like this. And from here, it might ask you to sign in again, as well as choose your setup language. Go ahead and do those, and then you'll get on a page from here where you just need to go ahead and hit connect, and you will now be able to start browsing securely. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.